Look what we found for free. Little tiller. Tiller? I hardly know her. Picked this up from someone else that does what I do, and I normally don't do that, but I mean, it was free. And it doesn't look like it's in too bad a shape, but the gas is really gross, so we're gonna get that drained out. I am actually not a fan of working on 2-strokes, but if it's free, it's for me. We got those 4 screws loose, so we'll just take it apart. And that looks pretty bad. I got it all torn apart, and you can see just how rusted that is inside the carburetor, so I'm going to use my brush and try to clean that out. I do have to take this gas tank off because that is pretty bad. Just pull it out like so. That fuel line is completely busted. Lucky for me, 2 free things from this guy. So that has a fuel line I can use, and it's actually not a bad looking edger. Edger? I hardly know. Okay, we are put back on and hooked back up. Alright, so this one is actually 4 cycles, so you don't have to mix the oil. Alright, we are gassed up, oiled up, primed up. Let's see if it starts. Alright, so cleaning the carburetor didn't work, it was just too far gone. So I ordered one, I have it here, and I also have a new fuel line. So let's get those in. Alright, so I'll show you my little trick for getting this fuel line through that hole, because it's kind of hard to press it in as is. So here's what we'll do. Alright, so I took my wire cutters and just kind of cut the end of that at an angle. So now we can fish it through there, like so. So now it's through, I'll go ahead and cut that off flush again. And we've got our filter on, so we'll go ahead and push that back down. Alright, new line is cut, all back together. Go ahead and prime it. Now we hope for the best. Clean up, clean up. And now if you remember, I got this for free. I bought a carburetor that was $18. So we're $18 into this. This is what it sells for brand new. I'm thinking I'm gonna offer it for $100. See what happens. About $82 profit. Not bad. Follow for more.